Meghalaya Institute of Governance (MIG) kelas Sdang ya Lympung Saindur ya Lawei ki Samla Lud, building young leaders, empowering adolescent boys and girls with transformational life skills. Hasin Claret a higher secondary school Ampati, West Garo Hills, haka khatway tarik Naiwieng. Jingthmu jong kane ka Lympung, kalong ban wanrah ya jingiadei bahajan hapdeng nonghikai, khynnah Skul, bat riewshemphang kiba pyntbit ban iarap ya Samla Lud, baro liang ban Toposh Ch jong ki. Crystal Ripamchi N Sangma, BDO Betasing C&RD Block, kalalong Kong baru Toposh Ch Marak, State Education Officer, Tura kumusembut Kong Ya jingiadei lapenya dekat Kong June Hannifer Warbah, Program Coordinator MIG. Kani Lympung Saindur ya Lawei ki Samla Lud, jinghikai ning Kong ya nonghikai bakin long kinong kedau lenti ya jingim bat Lawei jong ki Samla Lud, halor ki phang kibayadei kumno ban tip syai ya lade, bandon jingklan mensim halade, kumno banyak keren ya khana para brio, kumno ban shem ya karai, ban long ki bas camp triang kamon, ban tip syai ya la jinge per kynthei-shynrang, ban le khoi le suba ya lade, bat ya yeng kasam, bat kumno banyak keren, bat ya mirjing mut, bat ki brio ki bala kham he khamsan. Nonghikai ki batai bat pensyai ya kini ki phang haki kamra Skul. Hadian kata, ki ailad ki khynnah Skul ban batai bat ban yatai hakmat ki para khynnah haka jingdon lang ki nonghikai. Kani rukom jinghikai ka kentiu ya bor perkhat ka ple ya ki phang baki Samla Lud ban yo jingai bat ban bu ya thong haka jingim jongki. Ki nonghikai man kapor ki bu de ni ki Samla Lud ban ngam jeliu hakini ki phang jingtip khnang ba kinang yar ka jingnang jingtip. Kani Lympung hikai haka khatway tarik kala wanrah ya jingshong shit haka ba ki Samla Lud kila shimbenta klem kanu ka jingle ran ni jing sngurit ban batai ban kren ya kitei ki subject hakmat ki para Samla Lud. Kinong penyat kila yu isyai kedar bakani ka program kala long shisha ka ba job bat ka ba jingkermen haka ni ka sni Sdang ya Lympung.
Doctors. Yes, I can see a few hands raised. How many of you would like to be a musician? Yeah, I can see some hands being raised. Maybe a YouTuber? Yes, of course. So, person Madam June. Good morning, everyone. I am very delighted to be here to celebrate a remarkable milestone in your journey, which is celebrating your...
This initiative has greatly enriched not only our students but also as our educators. During the 3 days training session, we learned different kind of topics, activities, and also we did Zumba dance, which one was my favorite because we relaxed and enjoyed. This program has been a learning journey. It has provided me with new insights and given me the valuable opportunity to interact with fellow teachers from different schools.
I thank Madam June and her team for introducing this program in our school, and I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for providing the opportunity, and thank you for having me share my experience. Thank you.